The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for Central Mesa County and Central Rogers County in northeast Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rain over the warned area. Nearly 2 inches of rainfall has already occurred, with an additional 1 to 2 inches are possible. The heaviest rain has occurred around Pryor and westward to just north of Claremore. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that could experience flooding include Claremore, Pryor, Rose, Salina, Saginaw, and Taylor. Precautionary flash preparedness sections. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road to unknown depths. It only takes 2 feet of rushing water to carry away most sports utility vehicles and pickups. Take a different route to reach your destination or wait until the water recedes. Remember, most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for Central Mesa County and Central Rogers County in northeast Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What do we have for a warning or what?
The current time is 1:20.